Hello and welcome to a short review of the clock project of the Tangible User Interfaces course. I'm gonna review some of basic functionalities of the clock and what it can really do with the motion sensors and some code review. Alright, so first of all you can see the time is moving forward. The clock is initializing on when you first upload the program, like in real clock. You can the time is zeroing up when the clock is rising, and when the batteries are down, it's dead, like the case here. So every time the Arduino is starting, then it will the clock will initialize. Alright, first functionality will be to rotate to show the date of the clock. You can see in the Arduino there are motion sensors and some magnetic sensor that can feel the movement of the board in three-dimensional ways. We programmed the sensor to catch some rotating to 180 degrees and to do some functions within. Let's see, rotating the board. The clock is updating. Right. It's very sensitive. Let's do it again. Again, sorry. You can see the date. Right, let's do it again just to show you that it worked. Updating. Again. Alright, took some time, but there it is. It's very sensitive, it's not concentrated in the body, so it's pretty hard to move it around. But you catch the feel. Now for the motion sensor, it's demonstrating the light. If you can see that the LED is open. When the user is come near to the clock, we initialize the light. Alright, like I put my hand here, you can see the light around the clock. We did kind of on purpose that the LED of the LCD won't initialize automatically for demonstrating the functionality of the LED. And of course it considers some wiring to let the LED pull off, and we couldn't do it because we did construct the clock in a certain way, the board itself. So we got some limitation considering the LED light, but it's possible with some more work. Alright. Next functionality, I'm going to show you the date, okay, that initialized while shaking. The date is a bit complicated because it reads from an API that update from a server. Alright, now we're going to demonstrate the call for the API that build on the server local file that contains the weather and the temperature. Alright, I'm going to show the processing. Alright, now when I click the gray reticle, you will see the file updating. Alright, it will send the Arduino through the COM output new data coming from local file. Now it's on my PC, but when I'm on the server, you can update from the server. We got a real live API for doing it. Now click here, you can see now it got updated. Now when I shake the board, okay, you will see, hopefully, Alright, here, partly cloudy, 11 degrees. We do it again. Alright, 11 degrees. Great. And for the waking up, well, because in the waking up clock, you can set the date through the code for now, because we didn't implement any keyboard for this. And for the waking up, I can set the time. Okay, don't know if you can see, but here I can set the time according to the hour that I determine. Let's give it some time, version time. Let's see when the clock started. Okay, I can see it got started in 9:26. Let's do it. Now the waking up is calling the buzzer to load the sound and the text on the screen. Minutes. We give it 26 or 27, so we have some time. Stop processing to send a new message to the Arduino, because it's catching up the the COM. So now the board is waking up. You can see the time. We got like a minute before the buzzer will initialize. Alright. We must mention there's a body to the project, and it's supposed to be in it. We couldn't initialize it in time because it's very complicated to do the rotating body. You will see in the next movie the real cylinder that is supposed to be there, all the board. We think when we can get it in the batteries, it would work like a real waking up clock and be a real product. Alright, let's wait. You can see and hear. Wake up. Alright. So, this was a small review of the hardware implementation and some of the software-wise with the Arduino IDE and the processing that sending the current weather data from an API, in this case a local file on the PC. Hope you enjoy. Next chapter will be the demonstration of the body. Thank you.